You always wonder why that app doesn't exist, why the website doesn't exist. I mean, hell, you always looking for a way to make money online with the least amount of effort. And after all, this is day 66 of Getting Rich with AI, and today I have one of the best tools I've ever seen. I'm literally telling you, this thing should be guarded. You can make any app, any website, anything you want, and it's called vibe coding. Everybody talking about they want the vibes. Long story short, this is where you let AI do the heavy lifting for you, and if you got 10 minutes, this is gonna show you some ways you can start monetizing right now, bro. Shit's crazy. So what vibe coding is when you stop overthinking, just build. You literally can let Replit type what you want and let the AI help you make real, no stress, no perfection, no professional grammar needed. It's literally just creativity and flow. And you build fast and you fix later. So one thing you could do to start getting paid and use this is not financial information or advice, by the way, is go to Google, go to Yelp, look and see who has trash websites, who got garbage applications in the App Store. You already use these things, so whoever has trash ones, make them one in here that takes you 60 seconds and then go ahead and DM it to them and say, I made this for you. If you like it, this is how much it'll cost, no worries, but I want you to take a look at the sample. Add some things that are really specific to them. You can take links from their page, links from their product, links from their Instagram, and you can literally put it in their application so it feels like you took time to make them feel special. You know, that's how people pay. Bro, you come to this website and it's so simple. So you can scroll around and see all they have to offer. You see I'm working on some apps right here. So I came up with some random ideas on ChatGPT on things to show you. But let's say you need something to design, right? We need ways to get paid and we need to think about, what are people already looking at? So I took the liberty of typing this prompt up for ChatGPT. I said I want a prompt for a fitness app showing a female fitness girl dressed in Gymshark, Nike, blah, blah, blah. So you can literally pause the screen, copy this, and then ChatGPT is going to give you the prompt that you can type in Replit. Oh, and I would like to add, make sure you comment on this video and like, because we're doing a giveaway. Every time you see my videos, there's a high chance I'm giving some cash away. So there's going to be a $50 winner to one of the comments. Shout out to Dre who won last week. This could be you. Make sure you drop a comment and as many comments as you like, as long as they're relevant. Back to the video. Now, ChatGPT did all the heavy lifting. We got the prompt that we're going to copy. This is going to make us a fitness app. So you see what we did was one of the key things is I said I wanted to model Instagram and Pinterest because they already work. The keys are to model success, baby. We want to work smarter, not harder. These apps make the most money, have the most users, so let's use it. Now, you press enter and it's going to start designing. And as you see, this is what the screen looks like. So you'll be able to, in real time, see the updates. But I want to show you some of the other apps I made in the meantime. You even have a roaster. So any of your friends you want to make fun of, you want to crack some jokes, you can upload pictures of people. We have something you can create send $1 in and it'll roast you now. So the thing I want you to pay attention to at Replit is this real AI agent. You literally can talk to this the same way you would talk to a person. ChatGPT, you can talk to it step by step and literally it understands everything and it'll add anything you ask it for. So I said, I want you to get one free roast and I want you to show some background animations. I said, I want you to let them be able to upload a picture of who they want roasted. That's that simple, bro. I don't know any code. I'm just going with the vibes, as they say. And then I press enter. And you see right here in real time, it starts working. And for it to make the website that it did, that you see right here, it only costs 42 cents. 40 cents to make this right here. So as you see, it says emotional damage ahead. Your needs a reality check. It's hilarious. Damn, that noise was loud. I want y'all to notice in real time, look what it's doing. It literally tells you what it did. It shows you images it's added, whatever. It shows you all of the things it's done and you can check it out in real time. So all of this is also interactive. So if you want to press roast me now, guess what? You can literally now add a picture, bro. You can upload it. What's your pain tolerance? You got thick skin? Do you not? You can get your first roast for free. Let's say if your name was Kevin, and literally right now, bro, as I'm showing y'all this test example, bro, it's literally making a roast. Okay, Kevin, I read your description and I honestly embarrassed, man. You're the type of person who claps when the plane lands and thinks mayonnaise is spicy. Okay, I don't know what that means, but it's fire, and you can press roast me again, bro. This is literally a way people can throw you $1. And as y'all see, it took me 1 second to come up with this. So that's example number 1, and it's just a meme type idea. Hilarious. And whenever the app is done doing what it's doing, it just pops up on the screen and it'll just restart, boom, and in real time you'll have a generation that looks like this. And y'all, we are back. We are back on this fitness app. So we got a fitness app and it literally looks like IG. So we're not gonna, you don't have to rip off IG directly, but we can add more to this. Some of the things you want to remember when you're using Replit is that this is interactive and it goes with the flow. The goal is to give this as much information so you don't have to do as much. So here you see I typed up a little prompt. I said, add some videos to the feed, make the background a gradient color, and make the tab that says leaderboard. The reason this is so dope is because imagine if you have people in your family, friends of your family, your auntie, your uncle, they don't know anything about tech. Go to Google and look up local businesses near you. Go to Yelp, look up local businesses near you. Look for the people with the worst website, and you'll literally be able to make websites for these people. Then you can start getting paid and use this. This is not fun information or advice, by the way. Is go to Google, go to Yelp, look and see who has trash websites, who got garbage applications in the App Store. You already use these things, so whoever has trash ones, make them one in here that takes you 60 seconds, and then go ahead and DM it to them and say, I made this for you. If you like it, this is how much it'll cost, no worries, but I want you to take a look at the sample. Add some things that are really specific to them. You can take links from their page, links from their product, links from their Instagram, and you can literally put it in their application so it feels like you took time to make them feel special. You know, that's how people pay. And whenever the app is done doing what it's doing, it just pops up on the screen, it'll just restart, boom, and in real time, you'll have a generation that's like this. So look at this now. Now we got Yoga Lisa. Let's see what Yoga Lisa does. Bro, it just created a lady. Who the hell is Yoga Lisa? Look at this, another video. It added another video of a lady doing some exercises. This lady is ripped. That's crazy, golly. But anyway, more added, and guess what? All of these tabs are interactive. So now when you press search, it found some stock images for you. Motivation, gym outfit of the day, healthy snacks. You can break these things down. Guess what else? Added a leaderboard right here where you can see who's the most fit, who's the most active. People get rewarded based upon their fitness. This is fire. You can see your progress, your likes, how much water you have, how many active calories you got burned. And of course, the profile page, bro. You can see her whole profile, the outfits. And when you want to look at this whole website, you can press this little arrow right up here. This will be able to show you the entire web page, take up your full screen. If you want to change the size of what you're looking at, let's say you want to see what it looks like on a phone, you press this little drop down and you'll be able to pick. And now we're looking at it on the iPhone screen, and this is what it will look like. It looks kind of familiar, huh? Let's go back to full size. Replit is going crazy, bro. This is fire. And I even give y'all a little insight into an application I'm working on. So here's an Aura app. I'm working on, it's called the Aura. Now what this is going to do is show you, you guessed it, your Aura. And so you get points based upon how many followers you have, how many collaborations you do, and it's going to show you what rates you should charge an influencer. If you want to outreach to companies, you press outreach, and then guess what? It gives you all these different brands. It shows you how much they'll pay you to make some content for them. And guess what? You can press this button and you even get a general pitch. So it'll create the pitch for you too to reach out to the company. That's just a little top secret information I'm gonna show you. And I even want you to see they have a mobile application. Check this out. So when you go to your phone, you can see everything you've been working on your computer and vice versa. If you want to create an app right here on the phone, you can create from the phone, bro. It's amazing. So imagine having a whole team on your phone, bro. You got a developer, you got a graphic designer, you got an AI agent, you got an assistant. Everything you need is right here. You can make anything, bro. Apps galore. This video, less than 10 minutes, I'm praying, and this will show you how you can get paid. I just showed you a bunch of ways. You do with this information what you will. Like, subscribe. This is Replit. I'm going to be using this all the time. Thanks, Replit. Please put me in a commercial. You did.